Good evening time, everybody. Hope you are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Alrighty guys, real quick. You see the picture down there? 64 pill, it's my old one. I had to repair it the other day. As y'all know, I've run it the last couple of weeks and had real good results. So go over a few things about this thing. I'll probably say it 2 or 3 times before it's over. But I figured out it likes about 150 dead key in, 100 to 150 in dead key, 1000 watts PEP swing. That'll give you talking time about 8 to 9,000. It'll whistle 10,000 PEP. That's all in the world you need. If you can't get on that, if you can't get out on that, you better buy an antenna or something else. If you want it to run, that's the way you'll run it. I know some of these guys are trying to say key them with 5,000, this and that, and that's what happened to this one. If you keyed at 5,000, just get ready to put it back in the mailbox and send it my way, because you're going to be blowing pills. But I've proved the last couple of weeks, if you'll run it about 150, 200 max dead key, but I'd go 150, 100. Let it key 1,500 and let it swing. It talk like crazy, and it really does do the job. You can go look at my video gates and ask whoever. Alrighty guys, I'm going to do a quick video review on this. I'm going to stop the video and get it set on my birds. And we'll do a real quick video and wrap this thing up and get out here where we can get it back for repair. Get it back to the customer. I'll be right back with you. We're going to do a little old school audio. All I want to do is show the resistors in this thing, but none of them's fried. This is my old 64 pill, and I run the Majesus out of it, and I sold it, I don't know, a couple years ago with new 23 DL8s in it, and it got blowed up, and then it was took to another guy, and some other people worked on it, and they took the filter caps out and did several things they shouldn't have done. So we went back through it and worked on it. This is kind of like a mixed up review. This is afterward. This is after I did the output video. I just wanted to check it all before I put it in the box and shipped it up. I want to make sure nothing had been hot in it, and obviously you can tell all your 10 ohms are good. Nothing's been hot. All your balance resistors are good. She looks pretty good. Like I said, I built this about 7 years ago. Beat the Jesus out of it for 5 years, and I blowed it up too. And then I took and put new transistors in it and sold it used. Matter of fact, I sold it used. I don't even say what I sold it for, but I sold it almost for the price of the new transistors. So give it away used. And it sat in the shop for a long time, broke, and they couldn't get it to work. So this is where we're at. We got it working. I've run it for 2 weeks. Y'all have all heard it and skipped. There's video gates of it out there. If you dead key 150 max, swing about 1,000 into it, it's fine. If you try to key it at 5,000, it's going to blow up your face, I promise. So there it is. All it ready to go for you, but I'll get with you. We got it all put back together. I put several pills in it. Other than that, that's all we can do for you, man. I did put your electrolytics back in because they've been took out. Redid your LC network and put a slide tuner on the output. Tried to make sure it's perfect. Went all the way through it. Got it working the best I can. If you key 150, 100, 150 into it, swing 1,000, it's rock solid. Alright, we'll put this in a video and get back at it. Alrighty guys, I want to get you up here where you can see my birds. We are in PEP mode, 10,000 slug and forward, 25 slug in reverse. So we'll be looking at our, PEP drive. I'm going to key up, I'm running my 10 pill. I'm dead keying about 100, right now I'm dead keying 100 watts it says. Hello, I can raise that up just a little bit. Let's see. Right there's about 150 watt dead key. Reading that first hash at 1,000. So that kind of tells you what's going on with 10 pill and 12 volts. So let's look at what this thing does. Gonna key it up. Oh, I forgot it's keying up the radio too. I was wondering why it was dead keying. Okay. There's dead key with amp on. About 1800. I'm using my 63600 right now just so I won't make no noise or whatever when I talk on the microphone, the camera. Hello, audio, 10K in a corner. If you talk real calm and normal, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. As you see, there ain't no problem with this thing, man. Audio, 10K in a corner. Now I can just for kicks. I'm gonna bump the drive up just a little bit for the meter beaters. Not that I recommend doing that. All right, let's see. Hello, we're gonna put out 1500. Audio, come on, come on, come in, get on down. We'll go to our 2X, which I think's right there. Hello, let's see. Hello, that's our 2X. Hello, come in, come on, hello, come in, come on, come on, about 7. So what, 14? And it'll run that way. If that ain't good enough for you, bud, I don't know what is. Back on the 10. Hello, come in, come on, come on. You see your output reflex nearly done. So it gets a little worse on the horizontal output reflex does. Oh, yeah, got a little more. Nothing to worry about. That's just 25 slug. But there it is, man. There's your 64 pill. Get on down, 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 down. So, I mean, I really don't know what else you want out of one, boys. That thing right there, it's up and ready to go. 64 pill, getting on down. Turn those back down. We've run it about 2 weeks there, and get your test review. We'll get this thing put back together and unhooked and packed up and get it back out to you, buddy. She's running good. Alrighty, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend 1008 Boost, Donkey Stomper. I'll catch you later on. Bye-bye.